Want a job in Germany with visa sponsorship in 2026? Here's exactly how foreigners are getting hired fast, even without connections. Germany is facing a major skilled worker shortage. That means thousands of companies are actively hiring international talent. But most people apply the wrong way and get ignored. First, target the right industries. Germany prioritizes foreign hires in IT and software development, engineering, healthcare, and nursing. This also includes high-demand roles in logistics and skilled trades. Crucially, know the language requirements. While IT is English-friendly, healthcare and trades almost always require B1 or B2 German. You also need to verify your degree. Check the Anabin database to ensure your qualifications are recognized in Germany. If your skill falls into these categories, your chances increase significantly. Second, apply on the right platforms. Don't rely on random job sites. Use platforms like LinkedIn Jobs, Make It in Germany, and URES. These platforms list verified jobs with visa support. A new path is the Opportunity Card, a points-based system that lets you live in Germany for a year while you search for work. Third, optimize your application. You need a German-style CV, 1 to 2 pages max, clear skills and experience, no fluff. And always tailor your application to each job posting. Bonus tip, include a short, direct cover letter. It still matters in Germany. In interviews, be direct and punctual. Germans value efficiency and clear answers over small talk. Finally, understand the visa path. Most foreigners enter through the EU Blue Card or the Skilled Worker Visa. Once you get a job offer, the company often helps with the process. If you're serious about working in Germany, start applying the right way today. And follow for more high-income global opportunities. I'm Lawrence. Build skills that pay.